right, nice. This is a beautiful winter day in Chicago. Chase, come close. Can you unzip your shirt and tell them show them what time it is? Show them what time it is. Tell them rain, sleet, and snow, we got to go. Swanky. Thank you, sir. Continue. That's what life is all about, being swanky. Positive, disciplined while having fun. Being a real man take care of them kids. And believe it, y'all, it's a blessing to take care of these kids. A lot of guys think they can have the babies and don't want to take care of them, but you will be amazed how much blessed you'll get just by taking care of these kids, man. You don't do anything, take care of the kids. You don't need no money to take care of the kids or spend time with them. That's what Swanky is all about. We're gonna motivate everybody to be positive. It's definitely a lifestyle. And we in the hood. I bet you won't hit me with the snowball. Yeah, you see that, you a gangster. That's a shame. Gangster.
Just a little.
Gangster. No, I'm good. Don't hit me with you, a gangster. See that, boy, I ain't scared to hit your dad, boy, I tell you. Boy, I tell you. Tell you about y'all folks. Yeah. Here we go, ninja.